This video is about the isolation of volatile constituents by steam distillation. This video is for the course CYU 5303 Organic Chemistry 2. Essential oils are extracted from plants. They are concentrated hydrophobic liquids containing volatile chemical compounds. They are also known as volatile oils. An essential oil contains the essence of the plant's fragrances, the characteristic aroma of the plant from which it is derived. Therefore, we will extract the essential oil from Cumene cyminum by steam distillation during this video. Essential oil from Cumene cyminum contains the chemical limonene. Let's see what are the uses of cumene oil. Cumene oil is widely used as a spice. It has antibacterial effects and also cancer prevention characteristics. It can manage non-communicable diseases such as cholesterol and diabetes. Furthermore, cumene oil helps to improve digestion. The following chemicals and apparatus are needed for the extraction of cumene oil from Cumene cyminum. First of all, we need cumin seeds. As per chemicals, we need sodium sulfate, then distilled water, and dichloromethane. These are the apparatus that we are going to use for the extraction of cumene oil. A separation funnel, the unit for the steam distillation, a round bottom flask, steam generator, condenser, funnel and the flask to collect the distillate.
Let's see what are the chemicals we need to extract the volatile components from cumene. We need cumene seeds and water. First, we need to add the cumene seeds to the round bottom flask. Now, we can add water to the steam generator. Now, we can set up the distillation unit. Now, we need to connect the tubing from the steam generator to the round bottom flask. And we need to make sure the round bottom flask is connected properly. And we can clamp it to a stand. Now, we are ready to connect the distillation unit. First, we add this three-way adapter to the round bottom flask. Now, we can connect the distillation unit. This is how we are going to connect the condenser properly to a stand. You can see from both ends we have connected the condenser and fixed it to a stand. So now, we are going to fix the collector to the condenser. So now our condenser is ready to collect whatever the sample coming to the collector. Now we need to add the water faucet to the condenser. So let's see how are we going to do this. As you can see in this condenser, there are two ends starting from it. So one end should be connected to the water faucet. Now we need to connect the water faucet to the condenser. So we take one rubber tubing and connect to the water faucet. You can see we have taken the bottom part of the water faucet connected to the condenser. Now we are going to put the other part of the rubber tubing so that water will flow through the condenser system. Now we will place the thermometer in the system. Thermometer will help us to find the boiling point of our sample collecting. Now you can see the condenser is connected to the water faucet from one end and the other end is open to the sink. Now let's turn the water faucet on. Now turn on the power in the heating mantle. When the water boils in the container, the steam generated will reach the cumin seeds and then we will be able to see the distillate collected in the flask. Now, you may continue the distillation for 45 minutes and then the distillate can be collected. Turn off the heating mantle. Now let the system cool for another half an hour. Now close the water faucet. Now the system has cooled down, so we are ready to take the distillate out. This is the distillate. This distillate contains the cumin essential oil. Now we are going to separate the distillate by using a separation funnel. We are using dichloromethane as a solvent. Let's add the distillate to the separation flask. Let's do the solvent-solvent extraction. In order to do the solvent-solvent extraction, you need to hold the separation funnel properly. You tightly hold the lid of the separation funnel from one of your hands and the other hand can be used to hold the neck. From that hand, you can open the tap. So now, you can mix the content inside and release the pressure. You mix the content again and release the pressure. You can repeat this step for 2 to 3 minutes. And once the content is mixed, you can leave the separation funnel to separate the two layers. You can keep this for another 6 or 7 hours and take the 2 layers out. You can see the 2 layers in the separation funnel. The bottom layer contains the cumin essential oil. So now we are going to separate the bottom layer from the separation funnel. Now we have separated the organic layer. This layer contains the essential cumin oil. To remove moisture, we need to add sodium sulfate to the sample. Now you may swirl the mixture . You can continue this process until you can see some sodium sulfate lumps available
in the cumin extract.
In order to remove the sodium sulfate
in the cumin extract,
we are going to use gravity filtration. We use a folded filter paper, and now let's see how are we going to do the gravity filtration.
Now, the cumin extract needs to be concentrated using a rotator evaporator to collect the essential oil.